Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about glucosamine, a supplement that can be really helpful for taking care of our joints. Are you wondering what it's for and how to take it correctly? Keep watching and you'll find out. Glucosamine is a substance found naturally in our bodies that helps keep our cartilage healthy. Cartilage is like a cushion that protects our joints, like our knees, hips, or hands. Over time, cartilage can wear down, causing pain and stiffness, especially in people with arthritis. So, how does glucosamine help us? Well, this supplement contributes to the formation and repair of cartilage. By strengthening it, we can relieve pain and improve joint mobility. If you want to try glucosamine, the typical starting dose is 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into 3 doses of 500 milligrams each. After a few weeks, the dose can be lowered to 1,000 milligrams daily to maintain the results. To avoid stomach discomfort, it is best to take it with meals. Like any other supplement, glucosamine can have some side effects. The most common are nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. Also, if you have a shellfish allergy, do not take it without first consulting your doctor, as glucosamine is often extracted from the shells of these animals. And as always, it is best to talk to a healthcare professional before you start taking any supplement. In short, glucosamine can be a great help in relieving joint pain and improving your quality of life. Remember to follow the dosage instructions and consult your doctor if you have any questions or problems. Take care of your joints and enjoy a pain-free life. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.